Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, XRP is ranging still. The overall wave count, wave structure, interpretation of the chart hasn't changed. We're still dealing with a potentially bullish setup, which is a so-called 1-2 setup to the upside. Obviously, XRP has also shown signs of a experienced sell-off in the last few days, together with the entire sector. However, XRP appears to be quite strong short term, and it's important to understand for this 1-2 setup to the upside, which is highlighted here both in yellow and white. So these two scenarios are both valid, either one more low or the low is already in. Both valid. Yeah, in cryptos, I would never rely on that one more low, even though I'm primarily watching for it. Because in the crypto sector, when we get rapid sell-offs, sometimes that last low doesn't happen because it's already hidden in this structure here. But we didn't have such an aggressive sell-off on the XRP chart. $1.95 is support for the bullish case here. Below that level, it becomes very likely that the structure will be invalidated, at least on the micro level. In that case, the focus needs to shift towards $1.77. And the 177 level is the invalidation point. Now, if we break below that, I would not necessarily expect a major top to be in, but we would then shift the focus towards the larger degree, larger time frame support, which is which I show you sometimes on the larger time frame. It's here, the 120 level. Yeah, this is the larger degree support. In that case, wave 4 would just evolve into a wider flat correction, and we would have to restart a rally from lower. For now, though, there is potential that indeed, wave 4 bottomed on the 3rd of February, and this is a 1-2 setup. And in this wave 2, we're tracking primarily an ABC structure, and that C wave would be a 5-wave move, of which we completed waves 1 and 2, probably 3, 4, maybe we could now be in the 5th wave to the downside. In this 5th wave down, we could reach $1.95. Ideally not break and sustain below it. A brief break below is okay, as long as we're holding above $1.77, which, as I said, or $1.76, which is the invalidation point. It is noteworthy that should we get a break above initial resistance, I mean, that would be my signal. If we break above 246, 247, yeah, this 61.8 retracement, then this would be too large for a 4th wave. So this would be our initial early signal that a low already formed a little bit earlier than anticipated. In that case, then, we would already be in the 3rd wave up, probably. Yeah? At least it would be the early indication, early confirmation. Confirmation is not certainty, but that would be, early confirmation. And then the focus would shift to the green line, you could say breakout line, resistance line at 283. Then we paid attention to this one. This will be the next objective then for the bulls to overcome that level. Then 340, next target. That's the all-time high, and then we can look up towards $4.20, $5, which are my targets for the next move up. Whether we get another low or not, from a perspective of a 1-2 setup, that's actually not so important. You could consider that noise. We're still in a range, really, until we finally break out above the green line here around 283, 284. But within the range, we've got here this, you could say, micro resistance range, which, if broken to the upside, will give us an initial signal that a low is in. I also talked about this setup in our latest video on our main channel, MCO Global. There were 2 other coins, Sui and Solana, which I also looked at. In terms of possible setups and trading ideas, how to trade them, or giving you some ideas how to trade these current structures for the next rally. So if you're interested, check it out as well. The XRP setup is included there as well. I just do a bit of a deeper dive into the structure and give you ideas of targets and also ideas about how it can be traded. Whereas here, we just looked at structure basically. But yeah, overall, the parameters we discussed in yesterday's video still unchanged. And it's possible wave 5 has started now. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As I said, also, if you're interested, check out our main channel, MCO Global. The link is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.